Imagine a 1,710-acre smart manufacturing zone rising right in the heart of Kerala, just 50 kilometers from Coimbator's airport and smart city. It's set to bring lakhs of jobs, world-class infrastructure, and a boom in local businesses. Stay till the end. I'll show you exactly how you can benefit, whether you're a student, entrepreneur, or homemaker. The Palakkad Integrated Manufacturing Cluster, IMC, is the flagship node of the Kochi-Bangalore Industrial Corridor, KBIC, part of the Government of India's National Industrial Corridor Development Programme. Spread across three land parcels, Puducherry Central, Puducherry West, and Kannambara, it's designed as a plug-and-play hub for electronics, engineering, food processing, and more. Location advantage. Why Coimbatore proximity matters. Being just 50 kilometers from Coimbatore International Airport and the Coimbatore Smart City gives Palakkad IMC 3 immediate perks. 1. Instant global connectivity. Air cargo links to Europe, Middle East, and Southeast Asia in under 4 hours. 2. Plug-and-play utilities. Coimbatore's established power, water, and fiber optic grids can be extended seamlessly. 3. Skilled labor pool. Coimbatore's engineering colleges and vocational institutes feed a ready talent pipeline. Core benefits to citizens. Jobs and entrepreneurship. 1.2 lakh direct and indirect jobs expected by 2030. MSMEs can avail ready-to-use plots and common facility centers. Skill development. NICDC ITI partnerships will offer certified courses in mechatronics, logistics, renewable energy, free or subsidized for local youth. Infrastructure upgrade. 6-lane highway spur, dedicated freight line, 24/7 power and water, and a storm water management system, reducing travel time and power cuts. Lower cost of living. Efficient logistics cut transportation cost. Cheaper groceries, electronics, and textiles for households across Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Ancillary business boom. Hotels, restaurants, logistics firms, and retail outlets will sprout around the IMC, creating self-employment avenues. Environmental gains. Shift from road to rail freight reduces emissions, solar-powered common facilities and wastewater recycling built in. Real-life scenarios. Who wins? Student in Palakkad, you can enroll in a free mechatronics course at the IMC Skills Center, get certified, and land a technician job at an electronics firm right in your hometown. Small shop owner in Coimbatore, with the IMC's Common Facility Center, you can outsource precision machining without investing in expensive machinery. Farmer in Ottapalam, better roads and refrigerated logistics mean your produce reaches Coimbatore's wholesale market faster, fetching higher prices. Homemaker in Kochi, new retail parks and food courts around the IMC mean more shopping choices and part-time jobs nearby. If this video sparked your curiosity, smash the like button. It tells YouTube this story matters. Subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss our deep dives on other NICDP nodes. Next up, Vizag-Chennai Corridor. Drop a comment. What opportunity are you most excited about? Jobs, skill training, or business? We'll pin the best answers and feature them in our community post. Coming soon, inside the Dholera Smart City, India's first green industrial hub. See how it's set to redefine urban living. See you there.